Welcome to another FEV Tutor Student Platform tutorial. In this video, I will show you the tools and manipulatives your students will have access to during their live tutoring sessions. I see a blinking red light at the top of my screen, which means that I have a live tutor waiting for me to join a session. Once a student clicks here, they will be able to join their tutor and start learning. In the virtual classroom, tutors and students will have access to what we call a two-way synchronous whiteboard. Here, learners can interact with their tutors through a variety of clickable tools and manipulatives. My tutor is also interacting with me right here in this chat box. I'm going to go ahead and say hello. At the beginning of any student's first session, the tutor will give them time to practice using their tools. Let's take a look at the tools available to your students. Your students can click on the pencil tool. Right now, my tutor is showing me how to use it, and this is also my time to practice. The pencil tool is usually used to write answers on the board or circle correct answers on the board. If a student prefers to type rather than using the pencil tool to write, they can click on this text box and write directly with their keyboard. The highlighter tool will be really handy when students need to highlight key details and important facts. This tool is just a pointer tool. It'll draw attention to certain spots on the board if you would like your tutor to look at those spots. Students have access to choosing shapes, and they also are able to draw a coordinate grid to help them with their math. Right here, students have a drag tool. This is the delete button. It'll get rid of shapes or writing that they don't want. And the eraser tool helps to erase just small spots that students want to get rid of. Below their tools, students have the option for content sharing. If they want to save an image of their work that they've done with their tutors, students can take a screenshot by clicking right here. They can upload any relevant videos by clicking this button. Some students use this when they're receiving on-demand homework help and want their tutors to know about specific assignments or topics that they're working on with their school teachers. This last button is also very useful for students requesting on-demand tutoring. By clicking here, students can upload assignments such as homework or projects that they need support with. Students also have the ability to share their screens with their tutors. They can activate the screen share option by downloading the FEV screen sharing browser extension for Chrome or Firefox. Once downloaded, students can choose the share screen option right on their whiteboard. Our approach to hands-on learning keeps students engaged in their lessons and encourages multiple methods of communication with their tutors.